Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your go-to channel for the latest in cryptocurrency insights. I'm here to break down the top Bitcoin news for today, March 4th, 2026. Let's dive right in. First up, Bitcoin has shown remarkable resilience amid escalating geopolitical tensions. The leading cryptocurrency surged above $71,000 today, gaining over 6% in the last 24 hours and leading a broad rally in the crypto market. It's currently hovering around $71,800, bouncing back from recent dips triggered by the Middle East conflict involving Iran and Israel. This rebound highlights Bitcoin's growing appeal as a digital asset that can weather global uncertainties better than traditional safe havens like gold, which have wavered in the face of these events. Despite being down about 45% from its all-time high of $126,000, BTC has reclaimed key levels, shrugging off the Iran risks and defying broader market volatility. On the liquidity front, March 2026 is shaping up to be a liquidity-driven story for Bitcoin rather than just a cyclical one. Market liquidity has been drying up, with spot trading volumes down 25–30% from late 2025 peaks and futures open interest dropping sharply. This has led to thinner order books, making the market more prone to abrupt price swings and potential sideways trading until summer. Structural ETF demand and long-term holder conviction are providing some support, but overall liquidity pressures are easing slowly, influenced by macro factors like Federal Reserve policies. Analysts note that without an expansion in global liquidity and a risk on sentiment in equities, Bitcoin could remain range-bound. Key events like the Fed's interest rate decision on March 18th could be pivotal in injecting more liquidity into the system and sparking a rebound. Shifting to the current world situations impacting Bitcoin, geopolitical risks are front and center. The ongoing Middle East escalation, with US and Israeli strikes on Iran, has created a WW3 threat vibe that's rattling global markets. Yet Bitcoin has held up better than expected, trading as a risk asset during these uncertain times. Broader macro headwinds, including oil price spikes from tensions and defensive capital rotations, are adding pressure. On the regulatory side, upcoming US events like the Clarity Act vote and SEC decisions on crypto ETFs by late March could bring much-needed clarity, potentially boosting institutional inflows. Economic data releases this month, such as non-farm payrolls and CPI, will also influence liquidity expectations and crypto sentiment. In other notable news, there's buzz about potential market manipulation contributing to Bitcoin's recent 45% drop over 6 months, with fingers pointing at firms like Jane Street for alleged insider trading and systematic selling. However, Fundstrat's Tom Lee remains bullish, predicting a March surge for Bitcoin and Ethereum despite the geopolitical clouds. Whale accumulation around $68,000 support levels is also a positive sign of defiance against these macro challenges. That's your roundup for today on Dr. Crypto. If you're fired up about Bitcoin's potential and want to get in on the action, head over to the link in my bio and sign up on BingX right now. New users can grab up to $10,000 in free bonuses to kickstart your trading journey. Don't miss out. Stay crypto smart, and I'll see you in the next update.